Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA, Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to set up some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce. And when you stop and think about that, at one point, the price was essentially at $100 and then eventually closed all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, this was definitely a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 110. Why is 110 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 110. If the price were to come down to 110 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal situation, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 110. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, what I'm very curious about headed into Wednesday is that resistance trend line right there. If the price can get a good high volume break of that area, which is right now right around 126, then I mean, I'm not no such thing as a guarantee, but at that point, you got to like the odds that it's got a good chance to go up there and at least test this next area of resistance, which sits up here at the 135 mark. So again, high volume break of that trend line. Got to like the chances of it getting up to 135, maybe even higher than that. But overall, these are going to be the dynamics that I keep an eye on going forward. But crazy movement, and let's see what's in store for Boeing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.